So is your latch on your Coleman trailer broken? I'll show you how to get it fixed. This is a brand new latch. Remove the linoleum from the step right here, and then cut yourself an 8" by 4" hole where the lock mechanism is. And I use my skill saw with an old crosscut blade in it. And then get yourself a piece of diamond plate, cut it to fit, put some screws in it, and the next time you need to fix it, if ever, you'll be able to fix it. Take the screws out. I was able to get a lock for about $50 online, and bought this diamond plate online, a 2x4 sheet, which is good enough for 2 steps if you have to do 2. Anyway, best of luck with you.